Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video we've got our April Bellabox unboxing, so let's get into it. So I'm in the middle of moving and I'm living amongst the boxes, hence why I have no makeup on. But yeah, I'm really keen to see what's in this box. My last box in this house. It's kind of a light box this month, so yeah, I'm kind of keen as to see what's actually in here. Oh, green sticker. And the theme is no filter. The first thing in the box is this Bioderma product. I always love to receive Bioderma products because, hello, it's Bioderma. They're expensive. This one is the Hydrabio gel cream. It's a light moisturizer basically. This is just a sample size, but the full size is 40 mils and retails for $42.99 at adorabbeauty.com. Bioderma knows that radiant skin is in, which is why the brand is treating up Ella's to Hydrabio gel cream. It's paraben-free, hypoallergenic and smooth skin texture using acrogenemium. Better yet, it doubles as primer for dry skin. I have dry skin. I am so excited to try this. I'm definitely going to be starting this tonight. I always love receiving Bioderma products. They have such amazing quality. My skin just loves it. So yeah, I'm really keen to try that one. Next is like the biggest thing in the box, you couldn't miss it, is this thing. It is the Kauai Brush Cleansing Egg. Very interesting. This is $11 at the KawaiEnterprise.com. Kauai is here to make brush maintenance a little easier. The brand silicone brush cleansing egg is detailed with grooves to look after your bristles while retaining the brush's shape. Lather with soap or shampoo to wash away product buildup. So cute packaging. So it kind of like has some like holes for your fingers, and then you basically just swirl your brushes around there where you're washing them. Yeah, so there's two different textures on there as well. I have like one that fits on your hand, but this is like, this would be great for especially eye brushes. So this is such an amazing product to add to a Bellabox. Like, this is awesome. Like, I can't wait to actually try this out. This looks so good. My brushes need a wash. Can't even remember the last time I washed them, so you know they need a wash. So I can't wait to try this out very soon because that is so cool. Like, that's a great product to receive in a Bellabox. Like, go team on that one. Like, this is really cool. Oh my god, I was gonna buy one the other day, and then when I seen the sneak peeks for the Bellabox and I saw that this might have been an option, I was like, I'll wait to get my box just in case, because why go out and spend money when I'm gonna already spend the money on the box. So it is this Humble Co toothbrush. Make the switch to bamboo with this best-selling toothbrush from Humble Co. It boasts a handle that's made of 100% biodegradable and sustainably grown bamboo. Take care of your gums and Mother Nature too. It's $5.99 at Priceline. So I love products that I can go out and buy again if I love them. So it's actually, smell the bamboo. It's wooden and the bristles kind of have like a wave pattern in them. I'm curious as to what it's like to have wood in your mouth, to be honest. But yeah, I'm really keen to try this out in my new house. I will pop that in my bathroom and give it a go. You can really smell the bamboo, and you can smell the smokiness from when they've put the writing in it. So yeah, I'm really keen to see if this is as good as like a normal Colgate toothbrush, because I was gonna go out and buy one because I need a new one, but now I got this one to try. Next we've got some shampoo and conditioner samples from OGX. Love OGX. This is the bonus. So I've got the Shea Soft and Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. Again, it's a sample and it's something I'm definitely going to pop in my shower. So yeah, keen for that. Next, so excited. It is some Patchology eye patches. These are the Flashpatch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Ditch the smoky eye for a fresh face look. Patchology's Rejuvenating Eye Gels are a fast fix for tired eyes thanks to a formula that combines caffeine and hydrolyzed collagen. Make it your go-to for depuffing, hydrating and smoothing the eye area. These are $4.22 available at Mecca, so that's great. I love these little eye gel things. I love putting them on in bed. Cannot wait to try these. Like, my under eyes just like love the hydration because I'm such a dry skin person. I'm so excited to try these. Like, yes. This box is turning out amazing. And last but not certainly least, the product that we were all guaranteed to get was this Steve Laurant liquid eyeliner. The Pecision tip liner. So finding the perfect back liner is not an easy feat, but it looks like we can finally draw the line. This month's full-size Steve Laurant Precision tip liner is great for all, featuring a thin applicator for the perfect wing or enhancing your natural look into a soft glam. So it is full-size and it retails for $33.87 at the Steve Laurant website. So first of all, gorgeous packaging. Love the rose gold. Got the shade black, thank goodness. Again, like rose gold packaging, you always win with that. Oh, there's plastic on the outside, great.
11 minutes later.
So that is what the tip looks like. Wow, that is a black line, guys. That is really black. Like, I am so excited to try this. And it does not look to be bleeding at all. So, yeah, I'm so excited. Like, that's a great makeup product to include into a BellaBox. Like, this whole box has been amazing. Like, this box has been absolutely amazing. So, BellaBox, please keep this up. Please keep giving us these sorts of products. We've got, you know, a toothbrush, which is an interesting product that people usually use every day. They need to replace often, hence put it in a BellaBox. The liquid eyeliner, awesome. We want makeup in the box every time. The brush egg, genius to put in a BellaBox because all of us are in it for the makeup. We own makeup brushes. They need to be cleaned regularly. And hello, there's a brand new inventive, creative, fun tool to help us do that. And then obviously the eye patches, love to pamper myself with those. The sachet samples, the fact that there was 2 sachets, a shampoo and a conditioner, that's really good as well, and I can't wait to try that moisturizer. So yeah, overall I'm very happy with this box. I'm so happy. Like, it's such an awesome box, and I really hope that BellaBox takes note to continue the great work that they've done with this box. So yeah, thank you so much for this box. Like, I'm so excited to get into all these products. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you thought about your BellaBox. I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.